How long were you meant to ride today?
3 hours 45.
And that was out there.
Yeah,
That was out there. So Emma, your coach, has adjusted your session because you're not going out there. Instead, you're going on here. So what are you doing on there?
3 hours and 10 minutes.
And what's your longest indoor trainer session you reckon you've ever done?
I think I've done 2 hours.
So we got Zwift now, which is a new toy. It's actually very clever because when you log on, it automatically goes to what your session is.
1.5 serves of salted caramel flavour. 1.5 serves of watermelon flavour and some water. I'm going to listen to some podcasts. Got the fan. So I'll see you 11 o'clock.
No, honey, that's 8.
Yeah, no, it's 10 to 8 now. In 3 hours, 10 minutes, it'll be.
So this was a new toy we got. I'm not sure if we ever announced that we got a smart trainer. This is a Wahoo kicker. Certainly makes sessions like today where the weather is cold and wet far more pleasurable, except that you have to sit there in that spot for 3 hours and 10 minutes. So we're in the kitchen.
We don't have a lot of space.
And Amanda works out in the dining room. Here it is.
Townsville Long Course Kicker Builds, 190 minutes. Where will I go? Should I go to Paris? Tour de France starts tonight.
It's going to be boring on this video.
I'm doing the...
That's the screen you get to look at. So that's
That's all my
set up on our kitchen bench. There's our sink. I just saw Pagacha, who just did a 4-hour session training at 270 watts.
I'll see if I can match it. I can probably do the 70 watts for 4 hours.
Pagacha is the favourite to win the Tour de France, for those who have never heard that name. And you're a favourite to win this indoor session today.
Alright, I'll see you in 3 hours and 10 minutes.
How long you been going?
7 minutes.
7 minutes? What have you been doing? You're almost down to 3 hours to go. Watts, honey. Smashing it. How far in?
36 minutes.
Oh, there.
That's the gradient of where I am.
Oh, 6% gradient. Is that what your program is?
That doesn't fucking matter about gradient. You just have to do it to watts.
Look, your watts are up to 84, honey.
Lucky I'm only competing against 50 to 54-year-old women. Almost an hour and a half.
Almost halfway. Hour 23. Okay. 119 watts. How long's this one?
15 minutes.
Is that your last effort?
Then I have a 5 minute at 130 watts.
Okay. So what watts is this meant to be?
120.
Spot on.
10 easy and then 55 cool down.
You're very strong, honey. 2 hours, 4 minutes.
30 watts.
That's why you're good at endurance sport, because you can do this.
The last hour's the hardest.
Yeah. You want to put a movie on?
No, I'm listening to podcasts.
Okay. What have you done?
I broke my glasses.
Down there?
They're down there. You just like be a wormy. Like a worm and slide in there. Look, I'm going around the corner. There we go.
Oh my God, the things I do.
Because I can't see a thing and my podcast just ended and I need to get another one.
2 hours 16.
54 minutes to go.
54. Two hours 25. Getting close. Did it stop?
Yeah, but it stopped at 3 minutes at 3 hours and 9 minutes.
So it ripped you off 1 minute. How far did you ride, does it say?
51 kilometres.
51 kilometres
But
on...
like I did over 1,000 metres of elevation. And
Well, you
okay.
are amazing. 3 hours and 9 minutes, not 3 hours 10.
No, I don't know. Once I actually saved it, I went to 3 hours 10.
On the trainer, 3 hours 10 versus 4 hours out there. And now it's stopped raining, honey.